Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we will show you how to set up and give an overview of the Kestrel 5500 weather meter. To get started you will need to install the included battery. To do this, open the battery compartment using the battery door latch on the base of the unit, insert the battery observing polarity, then clip the compartment door back into place. There are 9 buttons to help you navigate through the menus and options. These are Options Exit, Capture, Backlight, Up, Down, Left, Right navigation buttons, the Select Enter button in the centre, and the Power button on the bottom left. The Options menu is accessed by pressing the Options button on any weather screen, or on the main targeting screen. Navigate through each option using the up and down arrow and change the parameter setting with the left-right keys. On the screen you can view and adjust settings for the data port, which is on or off. Next is the memory options. Any menu item with an ellipsis has a submenu with further options. Enter into these by pressing the select key. For example, under memory options, you can view memory used, turn on or off auto store, select a store rate, and turn on or off data overwrite and clear data logging. Next is the graph scale submenu. For each measurement type you can set high and low values to bound the desired display values. Next is the display submenu. Here you can set the automatic shut-off time, choose between off, 15, 30, 45 or 60 minutes, adjust the contrast and select between a white or red backlight for the LCD. The system submenu has options for time and date adjustment, compass calibration, we'll demonstrate this later in the video, measurements. Under measurements you can choose which parameters you see on the display, under the Unit submenu, you can adjust individual wind, temperature and pressure measurement display units, or select between metric and imperial for all options under the Global Set menu. Next you can adjust the language, calibrate humidity, perform a factory reset, and the last choice on the Options submenu is About. Once out of the Options menu, press the up and down selector keys to move through each of the measurement parameters. On any measurement screen, use the left and right arrow to view additional screens, such as the minimum, average and maximum screen. When on this screen, for any of the parameters, press the Select button to start taking a measurement. For this example, we will use the wind speed measurement. As you can see, as soon as we press Start, the minimum, average and maximum values start to update. When you have completed your reading, press Select to stop. The final readings will display. Press Select again to clear the values. Moving across again, we can see the data graph screen. Pressing the Capture button saves the data. Each time this is pressed, you can see the data start to appear on the screen. Pressing the Select key here takes you to the Data Point screen, where you can view all information for each point. This includes the time and date, data point, and the data scroll bar. To use your Kestrel to measure barometric pressure, you must enter a correct reference value for your altitude. Accurate barometric readings require that no elevation changes be made while taking measurements. To use your Kestrel meter to measure altitude changes, you must enter a correct reference value for your starting barometric pressure. Accurate altitude readings depend on stable, weather-related barometric air pressure while measurements are taken. Synchronized values between altitude and barometer measurement screens allow reference value updates on either screen to automatically update reference values on the other. So to set the reference values on the barometric screen, scroll to the baro measurement screen and select Settings. Adjust either the altitude or barometric pressure value to the local known value obtained either from a map reference, GPS or accurate weather station in the same location. or to change reference values on the altitude measurement screen, scroll to the altitude measurement screen, then select Settings, adjust either the altitude or the barometric pressure value to a local known value obtained from a mapping reference, GPS, or an accurate weather station in the same location. Once you've set up your parameters as you would like to view them, calibrate the compass. Performing this calibration is a simple task. Go to Options, System, then Compass Cal. Place the base of the Kestrel on a flat surface, at least 90 centimeters away from any large metal objects. Press the Select key to start the calibration. Rotate the Kestrel around on its vertical axis 3 times, keeping the unit as vertical as possible and taking approximately 10 seconds per full rotation. The device will inform you when calibration is complete. The Kestrel 5500 is set up and ready to take measurements. For more information on this meter, including a video full of tips for taking accurate measurements, or to speak to an instrument choice scientist for more information, see the links and details in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!